David Lloyd Membership Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how fitness clubs have evolved in 2025. David Lloyd offers memberships that promise access to gyms, pools, fitness classes and family-friendly facilities. But is it really worth it? The surprising truth is variety. Most people get this wrong by assuming all gyms are just about treadmills and weights. David Lloyd offers group classes like yoga, spin, height, and swimming lessons, along with personal training sessions. HIIT's clubs and tennis courts make it a family-friendly option, catering to more than just solo workouts. Another advantage is facilities. You won't believe what happens next when you see the club's wellness amenities, including saunas, steam rooms, and pools. Their high-quality gyms and modern equipment ensure a premium experience for every fitness level. However, there are cons. Membership fees can be high, especially for full access plans. Some locations may experience crowded peak hours, and additional costs for personal training or premium classes can add up. Also, not all branches offer the same amenities, so it's important to check local availability before joining. In conclusion, a David Lloyd membership in 2025 is ideal for individuals and families seeking a comprehensive fitness and wellness experience. While membership costs and variable amenities are factors to consider, the variety of classes, top-tier facilities, and family-oriented options make it a strong contender for anyone looking to commit to long-term fitness and health.